Bear Kids.
Subscribe to watch more videos.
Great Escape. Once, in a beautiful village, there lived a little boy named Jikki. He was a brave boy. He was on his way to meet his friend Jackie at his house. When he went to his house, he noted that Jackie was sadly standing there. Jikki asked to him, "What happened, friend? Why do you look so sad?" Jackie sadly replied, "Nothing specific, friend." Jikki said, "It's okay, friend. Share it with me." Jackie said, "I wish to go to the forest, but no one from my home is taking me." Jikki said, "Don't worry, friend. Come, I will take you." Jikki took Jackie to the forest. They were so happy to come to the forest. They saw a deer playing happily and joined to play with it. They enjoyed themselves there. They saw an elephant and tried to walk like that elephant. They were so happy to spend time with the animals there. Jackie said, "Come, friend, let us go further inside and play." When they went a long distance, they saw a monster. They were frightened to see that monster. The monster was destroying the trees. On seeing it, Jackie said, "Friend, I'm so frightened. Let us go from here." When they tried to run, the monster caught hold of them. The two boys shouted, "Leave us, please! Leave us, please!" The monster did not listen to the boys. He was on his way to his place. He said, "I'm going to eat you both for my dinner today." The monster then locked them in a prison and went from there. The two boys were finding a way to escape from there, but they had no idea. Then they saw a window there and decided to escape through it. But they were unable to reach the window. They tried different ways, it failed to reach the window. They were seriously thinking of an idea to escape from there. Jackie said, "Friend, let us dig the ground and use the mud to make a small mound through which we could reach the window." They did as planned and climbed over the sand mound and escaped through the window. Meanwhile, their parents started searching for them. They were worried about Jikki and Jackie. While they were searching, Jikki and Jackie came to their house. Both the boys went to them and was happy to meet them. Jackie said, "We went to the forest and were caught by a monster. Their parents said, "You should always tell your parents before going somewhere." The kids said, "We didn't know the danger. We are sorry." So kids, you should always tell your parents and get their help for going somewhere. Bye-bye, kids.
Subscribe to watch more videos.